to my channel. If this is the first time of seeing this face, my name is Nwarinma. If you're my returning subscriber, I do appreciate you. Thank you for supporting me and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pancake. Like this video, subscribe, turn your notification on to get notified whenever I drop my new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video. I start off by adding 1 cup of flour. Then I have to sieve it. I'm sieving it until smooth. Next, I'm adding the eggs. I use 2 eggs. I add 3 spoons of sugar. I add the yogurt. And I add a cup of milk. I whisk until smooth. Once it's smooth, I add the oil. Once it's heated up, I start to add the pancake mixture. I leave it to fry for 2 minutes before turning it. Once it's done frying, I transfer it to a plate and leave it to cool. I repeat the process. This is the finishing product, guys. Like this video, subscribe, turn on your notification to get notified anytime I drop my new video. Please subscribe to this channel. Then give it a thumbs up. Bye bye. See you soon.